Using the handles, the pen, the capture, and the media in the whiteboard. First, let's look at the grippers, how we move the tools. You can simply grab those 6 dots and you can move the whole toolbar left, right, up, or down. You can also change that setting by hitting the 3 dots and more. So you can change it so that there is a default for the toolbar. You can also turn off radar view while you're in there if it's something you don't like to pop up. There are also new pens inside of the whiteboard. First, the original pen. And that's the text pen, right? And it'll turn it to text. Next, there's the highlighter pen. The paint pen. Next, the crown pen, followed by the calligraphy pen. And my favorite pen, the disappearing pen. About 10 seconds after you write with it, it will disappear. You can turn on the finger if you want to write with your finger. Next, you can use the multiple select tool to select multiples. You can group them. You can make them bigger or smaller, move them. Next, we're going to look at the media tool. You can type in and find images of whatever you'd like. Once you find the image of what you're looking for, just simply tap on it and it will end up on the canvas. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can flip it if you need to. Next, same button, switch it over to video. And now you can pick a YouTube video to also insert into your presentation without commercials.